What's up, guys? I'm going to be talking about arrays today, and specifically how to input something into an array, how to get something out of an array, and how to create an array. So if you don't know what an array is, it's the most simple type of list in C++. It's like a list. Let's say you have a list of names, you want to store it, you have a list of numbers, list of social security numbers. So it's the most simple list, better known as the most simple data structure. And it's built into C++. So first, let's talk about how we write it and the two ways, or at least the two ways I'm going to talk about. So we will write int, whatever we want to name it, array1, and we could do that. So now we made an array. But if we want to choose how big it is, we'll put a number like this. So now array1 has 5 slots. It's a list with 5 slots. There's nothing in it yet, but it's a list with 5 slots. Now, if we want to fill an array while declaring it like this, we could do this. Int array2 or array O. I just like giving it different names. I don't want you to think there's a sequence or anything. So array O or anything. My favorite array. And if we want to fill it from the start, we could just put curly brackets and put ints in there too. 54, 66, 5. So now we have another array. This one is also size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is actually full. The other one is not full. The other one is just empty, and it has 5 slots. So now how do we get these items? If I want to print 54, I could write cout my favorite array, and then in these square brackets, you just want to write the index. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Except you have to remember one thing with arrays. When you're calling them, when you want to get an item, it starts at 0. Now this is confusing, and this is going to trick you for the rest of your career of programming, but they are 0 indexed arrays. So actually, if we want to get 54, it would be 0, 1, 2. Put 2 in here. So now cout my favorite array, the second element, which is actually the third element because 0, 1, 2, it will output 54. So now let's fill array1. So how to do this? Array1, the second element equals 4, and you can just do it like that. So what it is, when you write the variable name followed by the square brackets and the index inside, it's basically like that variable at that location. That's why you could set it to something, or you could even output it. So now let us output this just to show you that it worked. Array1 of 1. So now the output will be 54 and 4 if we run this. Yep, 54 and 4. And let's make it look a little prettier. Let's add an endl just to end the line and start the 4 on the next line. And there you go. Thanks for watching.